Hey everyone, Mike Donato here from Fiama Canada, and today we're going to be learning how to change the filter on a Jura ENA 4. What you'll need for this is a Claris Smart filter. They come individually or in sets of 3. Alternatively, you can use the Claris Mini Smart, which only comes individually. Now, this machine and the ENA 8 are both able to use that. For the sake of this video, we're going to use the large filter. All you need to do is adjust your filter extension by unlocking it, extending it, and relocking it if you're using the mini one. You'll know it's time to change your filter when you see a red icon of the filter on your home screen. It's as simple as removing your water tank, removing your old filter, and detaching it from the filter extension. Now before connecting your new filter, make sure to pre-rinse it under the sink for 30 seconds. After you've pre-rinsed your filter, connect it to the extension, put it in the water tank, and fill it up with water. Once you've done that, put the water tank back on the machine, and the machine will pre-rinse the filter itself. Water will be coming out from the spout. It can be caught in the tray or a receptacle. Once that's done, you're finished changing the filter. Thanks for watching how to change the smart filter on your Jura ENA 4. Don't forget to check out our Instagram @Fiama_Canada and our website www.fiama.ca for all your cleaning and maintenance product needs.